Hello there. So this is a tutorial on how to check the Facebook statistics or Facebook analytics. This is just going to be a basic tutorial. There's a lot of ways actually to check on Facebook analytics. What I'm going to show you is coming from the Facebook page itself, and it's going to be just from the um, Insights tab. So Facebook Insights tab. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my own uh, Facebook page, which is One Fish Productions. One Fish Productions is my company name. I use it to present uh, web development proposals, um, online marketing proposals, and IT services proposals and such. So check it out, onefishproductions.com or One Fish Productions Facebook page. Okay. So again, we go to Insights, and from here, there's actually a lot you can see already from the overview. This is a basic summary of how your page has been performing, and it's divided into three sections. First, we see the page summary, and under page summary, you see actions on pages. By the way, you can just pause anytime and look at your own Facebook page so you can compare it and see if it's uh, equal to what I'm showing. If you're lost or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. So, going back, here's the actions on page section. The box here, as you can see, mine doesn't have anything. But what this shows is uh, here on my Facebook page, I have an action button called Contact Us. If you click on that one, you'll be forwarded to the website that has a contact form, right? When you set up your own Facebook page, you're actually you have an option on how to set this up. The call to action button, CTA for short, so call to action button. Um, so there, nobody has clicked on it from May 30th to June 5 of this year. And page views is how many people have viewed my page, including people who are not logged into Facebook. Okay, so you can see here there's about four, which is an increase of few 100% within the past week. Right, and on page previews, this is the number of times people have hovered their mouse over my page information to see a preview of my page. So page information, um, it's actually on the about section. And promoted my if I've promoted my Facebook page, um, whoever hovers their mouse onto the ad, right? This is the ad that's supposed to show. Um, if they hover on that, that's page previews. Okay. If they just put their mouse on there on that ad, that's page previews, right? So page likes, how many people have liked my page for the week. none for the week. Post reach, if I made a post and it's how many posts are shown on a timeline, on any person's timeline. So here it's one post have been posted on a person's timeline, so it's an increase of 100%. If I made a story using this page, this is the story reach, number of people who saw my story. I haven't made any stories yet using my Facebook page, so yeah. Next is recommendations, how many people have recommended my page. Post engagement, this is the total number of people who liked, commented, shared uh, my post, the post that I made. And then responsiveness, if somebody uh, made a sent a message, this is how fast I respond to it. The ideal response time is of course as soon as possible, but my response time is 100% here. Videos, number of videos views if I made any videos. Page followers, right? Page like is different from page following, right? So they may like the page and then follow, but still follow, and also follow, but they may also not like the page, but also still follow. I mean, they may like the page but not follow, right? And if I'm selling anything, somebody made a purchase. Let's see it here on the order section. Okay, so next you'll see the uh, 5 most recent posts section. Right on here, mm, you'll see the uh, results for the recent posts I made, top last 5 recent posts I made. I'm gonna explain this further later on. Um, and then pages that I'm watching. So this is a competitor that I'm watching. You can add a page to watch a competitor, how the competitor is faring against you, how their page is performing against your page, so you can have a better uh, comparison, a better um, way of trying to compete against the competitor, right? So next thing we're gonna see is the posts detailed analysis. So we go to posts here. Right from here, you can see the different information about your audience and your posts. So here, directly you can see the times when your audience is most active. So mine is from starting from about, yeah, about here, 3 p.m. up until 9 p.m. Up until midnight, right? And midnight until 9 a.m. And it's lowest by noontime, right? They may be looking at something else. Okay, so it gives you the best time when to make a post. So for me, it's the best time would be at the peak of 11 p.m. That would be the best time, and 5 a.m. 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. would be the best time to make a post. Right? So next would be my posts. Right, from here you could see when it was published, the post title, what type of post it is. So this is a link, and then here's a photo, here's a video, right? And then for targeting, uh, did I post it publicly, or is it for particular audience? So most of my posts are public. And then here is reach, the number of people who saw my post. And then here you'll see the breakdown of the reach, how many are organic and how many are paid. If I paid if I paid to boost the post, if I boost the post, I'll pay for it, and how many people will be reached by that boosted post, paid post, right? And then here's the number of engagement, how many clicks, reactions, comments, shares, right? So yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you have questions, and hope you enjoy.